Hi and welcome back to the MDA Gamers channel. Today I'm just going to show you which I think is the two best VPNs you can get, because there's lots of other videos on YouTube what I've tested and I've clicked on, and they are good programs but they're only limited to how much data you can use. These two what I'm going to show you, one of them has a premium plan but it still gives you unlimited data and they don't throttle your speed as the other ones do. So let's get straight into the video. So these are the two best programs what I reckon are the best free VPNs, 100% free. This one does have a premium plan but you don't have to use it, you can use the free version. It'll just tell you about upgrading all the time. So the links for both of these programs, where to download, will be in the video description, but I'll show you where you can get it from anyway. So the first one is this one. That's a quick look at the website and you just click get thing. I've already got it installed so I'm not going to click it. And then the second one is this one. This is the Apple one. The first one I've just showed you, this one needs to be installed in your computer. This one is just like an app. You just download this program on your phone, on Apple iPhone, or you can download it for Windows. If you just click on that and it'll just bring up an app, well, and you just click it and it'll open it up and it'll open up a website. But I'm going to show you how both these work now anyway. So we'll try this one first. So this one you just open it up, it'll connect, it'll load up to say that you're connected. And then let's go over and check my IP. So I'll refresh the page. It still thinks I'm in Spain, which is good because I'm actually in the United Kingdom. So let's quickly go over. We'll change my country. So let's say I want to be in Japan. It'll disconnect and then it'll reconnect once it gets a good connection, which it has done. So it thinks I'm in Japan now, so let's just double check that. Refresh the page. Oh yeah, thinks I'm in Tokyo, Japan. So that is the first VPN I've just showed you, Passion. But anyway, and then this is the second one. This one does have a payment plan, but you don't have to sign up for premium. It's still unlimited. I've had no trouble with this one. So this one, so you can go premium, or you can just connect. But this one you can't choose what country you want. It will just connect to the fastest one. So now we are connected. So let's see. The last one put me. So we're on this VPN now. So the last one put me in Tokyo because I changed it to Tokyo. But like I said, this one you can't choose where you want to go. It just put you to the best connection possible. So let's refresh. So this one has put me to Georgia, the United States, which is correct, so I'm in the United Kingdom. And so this is to check out your IP, you know, what is my IP address.com. There's also another test I like to do is this website, doileak.com, and it's just like a stronger test to what my IP address is. This checks everything. So yeah, these are the two best VPNs, what 100% free, not like Tunnel Bear where you only get a 750 meg cap. These are 100% free. Like I said, this is an app. This is totally unlimited. This one you install, but this does have a data plan. But I've never reached a limit on it, and I've used it for a couple of weeks now, and they don't throttle your speed. So yeah, these are two 100% free VPNs. I just thought I'd make this quick video because I've gone through quite a lot of VPNs, and thought I'd put out my top 2 VPNs of 2018. If you did, please give it a like. If there's any more information you want to know about these VPNs or any other tutorials you want me to do in the future, just leave a comment on the video. I'll be happy to comment back or give me ideas. So yeah, until then, this has been MDA Gamers, and I'll catch you in my next video.